Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Outlook rules created by AI assistant step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner. Select Manage Rules and Alerts from the drop-down options. In the Rules and Alerts dialog, you'll see a list of your existing rules. Click on the Options button located at the top right of the dialog. Within the Options menu, select Export Rules. A File Explorer window will pop up asking you to choose a location to save your rules. Select the desired location on your computer. Enter a name for your backup file and ensure it has a .rwz file extension. Click Save to create your rules backup. Once saved, you can close the Rules and Alerts dialog. To verify that your rules have been backed up, navigate to the location where you saved the .rwz file. Open the file to ensure it is present. Remember to store this backup file in a safe place for future use. If you need to restore your rules, return to the Options menu in the Rules and Alerts dialog. Select Import Rules and navigate to the location of your backup file. Choose the file and click Open to restore your rules. You will see a confirmation message once the import is successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.